Fact number 10. The biggest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. Standing at a towering 13.6 miles high, Olympus Mons on Mars is the biggest volcano in the entire solar system. It's about 3 times the height of Mount Everest, making it a truly massive feature on the Martian landscape. Scientists believe Olympus Mons hasn't erupted in millions of years, but its enormous size shows just how active the planet was in the past. It's a sight that would blow anyone away if they could visit Mars. Fact number 11. The universe is expanding faster than we can measure. The universe is growing so quickly that we can't even measure it accurately. The expansion rate of the universe is accelerating, and it's caused by a mysterious force called dark energy. While we've been able to observe and track the expansion, it's moving so fast that it's hard for scientists to keep up with the exact measurements. The universe keeps getting bigger every second, and it's a reminder of how little we know about the forces shaping it. Fact number 12. There's a black hole in the center of our galaxy. Imagine a place so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. That's what a black hole is like. In the center of our Milky Way galaxy, there's a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. It's so strong that it pulls everything around it towards it, including stars and gas. This mind-boggling object is invisible, but scientists know it's there, and it's huge, millions of times heavier than our sun. Fact number 13. Space is silent. No sound can travel in a vacuum. Ever wondered why space is so eerily quiet? That's because space is a vacuum, meaning there's no air to carry sound waves. On Earth, sound travels through air molecules, but in space, without air, sound can't travel. So, if you were floating in space and screamed, no one would hear you. It's one of the strangest things about the universe. The silence is truly deafening. Fact number 14. Astronauts can't burp in space. In space, things don't work the same way as they do on Earth. When astronauts try to burp in space, the gas doesn't rise to their throat like on Earth. Instead, it stays in their stomach because there's no gravity. So, astronauts have to be careful when eating or drinking to avoid feeling bloated or uncomfortable. It's one of the quirky challenges of living in zero gravity. Fact number 15. The Hubble Space Telescope can see back in time. The Hubble Space Telescope isn't just a tool for seeing far away. It lets us look back in time. Because light travels at a finite speed, when we look at distant stars and galaxies, we're actually seeing them as they were millions or even billions of years ago. Hubble has captured images of the oldest galaxies, allowing us to peek into the past and learn about the early days of the universe. Fact number 16. There's an entire galaxy made of only dark matter. Dark matter is one of the universe's greatest mysteries. It's invisible and can't be seen, but scientists know it exists because of how it affects things we can observe. There's a galaxy called Dragonfly 44 that is mostly made of dark matter. In fact, more than 99% of it consists of this unseen substance. It's mind-blowing to think that something so mysterious could make up an entire galaxy. Fact number 17. Lightning strikes twice as often on Jupiter. Jupiter isn't just the largest planet in our solar system. It's also home to some of the most intense lightning storms. These storms are so powerful that lightning strikes on Jupiter happen twice as often as they do on Earth. Imagine the enormous bolts of lightning flashing across the massive gas-filled planet. It's a wild, electrifying sight that scientists are still trying to fully understand. Fact number 18. A spacewalk can last for hours, but astronauts don't feel hungry. Astronauts spend hours floating in space during spacewalks, repairing equipment or conducting experiments. Despite working hard, astronauts don't usually feel hungry during these walks. That's because the microgravity environment affects the body's ability to sense hunger. Even though they don't feel the urge to eat, astronauts still have to stay hydrated and take special nutrition breaks when back inside their spacecraft.